I get a feeling it's gonna be a riot.
What is up, y'all? Here's the current situation. We're gonna walk out here to the G8. Show you what's up. This shit is nasty. What's that? It's 09.
Small block with a 6
Yeah, it's a 6 liter supercharged.
Well, I've heard before, man.
Yeah, I gotta do valve seals on it now, so.
What's the horsepower? 750, 800?
630 to the wheels, about 700. Thanks, man. See ya. Later. Meeting the neighbors, dude. Can't tell. I've got some haze back there, but watch this. Bruh. She's still smoking, dude. Yeah, we're just gonna do it. No sense in driving it around like that. We'll just go get the Honda. Gotta go get coffee for the wife. I'm gonna do some drone videos and stuff today. Should be fun. Alright, what's up, guys? We got both the cars in here. I'm gonna do the plugs on the Honda first, and then we're gonna pull the plugs on this thing. Look at those, start getting some of the stuff out of the way. Probably see which ones have probably got oil on them. Hopefully not all of them. I'm guessing I kind of know which one's gonna have oil on it. So just by the look of the, I don't know, the manifold and stuff, I just don't know. One of the cylinders doesn't look that great, so it's just burning the ceramic off one side. So I don't know if it was going lean in that one cylinder or what. So we'll see if that's actually one of the ones that's just terrible. So take a look at that right now. Tube's glowing, but this side is a pain in the ass to do the plugs on, especially the back. So I gotta get my arm all the way back there usually to get that one. But the lid is pretty easy to take off. When we go to take that off, there's only a couple bolts back here on the back side we got to get to. I think there's 4 of them back there actually, so not too bad. The rest of them are on the outside, but yeah, I'll get over here to this guy right here and start doing the plugs on this thing. Not too exciting, but hey, we gotta get it done. Alright, so that was pretty easy. Got that done. Nobody wants to sit there and watch people do spark plugs. Anyways, I do want to pull these ones, so probably just gonna pull this air box and stuff out of the way just so it's out of my way. I just don't want it in the way. Get the power steering thing out of the way. A lot easier to get to the cylinders I'm concerned about, so I'll go ahead and do that right now. What's up, guys? So I got the plugs out and started looking at them. You know, there's oil on the threads and stuff, but I can't really tell because those plugs have been in there so long that it makes it really hard to tell really what's going on. I don't know, and I'm not the best at reading plugs. I mean, I know what a rich plug looks like, and you know, obviously all the different things of like lean and where it's burning on the strap and things like that, but the plugs are so dirty, it's just hard to tell. Like the oil where it's wet is on the threads. Can't really see like where it's wet on the actual like electrode. So I don't know. I was gonna think about throwing some new plugs in it, going for a drive, see if it clears out. If it doesn't clear out, probably my valve guides, or worst case scenario,